Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and I'm getting to you guys a huge makeup haul from TJ Maxx. And yes, I thought not to get more makeup stuff, but I did. So I'm going to just show you guys and share what are the things that I found at TJ Maxx. They're really nice, cute stuff. Now let's get on with the haul because I have a lot to share. The first one, let me share you the lipstick I'm talking about that I on the stone. On this tone liquid lipstick, I have applied a lip color, which is this one. So let's show you that first. So this is the Lipstick Queen set, and it's really pretty. It's this Indulge Me full size lip duo. It has a color hanky panky pink, and then it has a nude La Mode lip mousse. So there is a lip mousse and then a kind of a nudie color lipstick. It's really pretty, and I've already swatched these, so I'm going to show you guys how they look. Should I swatch them? Okay, I'm going to swatch them because I've already swatched anyway. So this is a really pretty nude color. This is how it looks, the lipstick, and it's this brownie nude. It's really nice. It's very creamy. Actually, it's very creamy. Let me show you. I'm going to swatch here since I have this henna and mehendi on this side. Oh my god, I thought it was brown. It's not brown. It's kind of mauve nude color. So it's nice. I did apply on my lips and I tried it. It looks cute. Like a darker nude on me. So that is the first one, and then second one is this one. This is what I have on my lips today over the stone to give it that little more pinkness, because this one is pink and this is called nude a la mode, and the lipstick was called hanky panky, I think. So let me show you the color. It's just pink. See that? Oh my god, because of my mehendi you won't be able to see. Okay, there. Pink. So let me swatch that also here. So you can see that it's like more pink, right? It shows the more pinkness. So I don't have a mirror here. Okay, anyway. So that is the color, guys. I have on that. So what it does, it gives me a little more color. And because this is very moussey, I tried this on its own. It kind of rubs off very fast on me, because if you go to eat or drink something or anything, it just right away everything comes off. So because it's this moussey kind of texture. So, but because my dose of colors is going to stay good because it's a liquid lipstick. So over that, if I give this color, I feel like it stays a little more better. I'm going to show you the foundation that I'm actually using today also. The foundation I have on is actually a new one I got. I had got one and then I found another one, so I just picked it up. This one, I guess that's why one of it is swatched already, because I used it. I got one few days back and I tried it and I liked it, and I was like, okay, when I found another one, I just picked it up. So this one is the Anastasia stick foundation, and I just wanted to try and see how it is. So I had got this one in tan color, tan shade, and you can see that I used it like I think twice I used it. So, but it's so small. I'll show you the other one. It's like the product is very less because these are the mini ones, and I've already used this one. Yeah, twice or thrice I think I've used this. So I've used that today also. But it's actually going with my skin tone, this foundation. So that's why I picked another one. So this one is tan. So if you're someone like me who is in between, like I am NC 35, but I can also wear NC 40. So I'm kind of in between that, NC 35, NC 40. I know I switch. So MAC, I'm talking about MAC. Then this will be good on you. And in NARS, I think Stromboli, Barcelona, both of them actually go with my skin tone. Now, next one is Oh, the same one actually, that's what it is. And this was, where is the price here? They were $3.99. $3.99, so basically $4 I got two of them. And you can see that they are not that much. See that? They are very tiny. They have very little bit on the top because they are mini foundation sticks. This is the Sephora's eyelashes, and I like that they are small, tiny. I don't like, I think there's only one video where I've put eyelashes on, which is when I did the Maybelline lipstick, I think liquid lipstick long back, and I have put it so badly on it because I only had like those not a good quality one, and I had like these big ones, and I put that, and I didn't even know that I need to cut it, shape it, whatever, and put it. I just had put it, and it looked like too much. It was covering my whole, because my eyes here, its distance is very less. It was covering the whole thing. So now I understood that I need to get like a smaller one, not like that big one. And this one is nice actually. This is the Sidekick number 5 lash, Sephora Sidekick number 5. It's the Sephora brand, and I mean, of course, oh, I didn't find this, sorry guys. Actually, this is not from TJ Maxx, this is from Marshalls, but anyway, I'll make it as TJ Maxx Marshalls. I'll mix it. So this was from Marshalls, $3.99. So this all is going to be TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I guess. I don't know what else I got from Marshalls that I might have mixed here. So that one, and then let me show you guys the powder I have on today. So I showed the foundation. The powder I have on, guys, today is also this one. This is the Milk Makeup powder that I got. And yes, this is from TJ Maxx. It was $9.99. And all these things were in perfect in shape, sealed and everything. So that's the reason I got them. Otherwise, I would not have picked it. Especially lipsticks and all, I'm scared. But this one, it wasn't, it was like untouched, and also, you know, that's the reason. It had a cover on it and everything, like a, what to say, a plastic, you know, sealed and all. So I got this. This is the Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. Now when I saw matte, I was like, I don't know if it'll suit, but it had a nice tint to it, and so I thought, okay, let me try it. This is the translucent medium. That's why it has that little bit of the tint, and I like that. So let me show you the color, how it looks. I mean, of course, now I have already removed it, but it has this tint. It's a lot. So because I've been every time I do makeup, I've been using my Coty Spun powder every day. That's my everyday powder. But this one also is good, and it didn't take my color off. It, you know, the foundation color off, so it looks nice. So that's how it looks. It says Blur and Set. It's pretty. This is how it looks inside. It has, they've given a buff. I don't use this because I feel like I'm going to take off my foundation, so I use the brush and do it. And then inside it's like that. I've actually removed that and put it back, but it has a cover, and it looks different. Let me actually show you guys. It looks very different in the sense it has a net that controls the powder. There's a net there, like a cloth. See that? It controls the powder from like spilling out, right? And it's very good to touch your brush there, or touch this like a sponge. So I like it actually. I've tried it in 2-3 times on makeup, and it looks nice. So I like this. So that was $10, $9.99. Got few nail polishes. Where is the other one? Okay, I picked up few nail polishes, and then again one of the nail polish I have on today. It's really beautiful metallic color, right? See how nice metallic color. So it's Daring Damsel 384 from Essie, and really pretty color. Like, as you can see, I'm wearing it right now. It's pretty color. Pretty cute metallic color. And I just did one coat. I've just done one swipe. Just before the video, I put it on actually. I didn't have any nail polish on. So just one coat, and it's so nice. It covers well. The brush is good, and it dried very fast. Again from Essie, this one which is Coat Couture something. It's a little bit, it has a little bit that purpley shine to it. So that one. And then I got these 3 metallic shades from Butter London, and I think they were all $3.99. Yeah, this also was $2.99 or $3.99. I don't remember. I ripped it off because I was trying them on yesterday. So these 3 metallic shades, and they're called Peel Off Glitter. Yeah, Peel Off Glitter, glittery shade, whatever, from Butter London. And in this, the best one is this one, because this is very opaque and it goes on with one coat very nicely. I got few lipsticks, and I'm not going to swatch. I'm going to swatch only one, because one I did try is the MAC's Love Me lipstick collection. I love their matte lipsticks. Nothing can beat that. But this color I wanted to try, and I tried this, and this is like this nice pinky color, and yeah, kind of like, I think, Girl About Town kind of color shade. So it's nice. So this is the only one I tried. So I love the packaging. Packaging is cute. Although my MAC, the regular packaging is what I am in love with. The black, classic black is what I like. But this is cute. They've done something different. So that is the Monsieur color, and that is one. And then I'll show you the other colors, but I'm not going to swatch them. So this one is in Hey Frenchie. And this is again a mauve, My Lips but better kind of color, I think. I won't know exactly until I swatch it, but very similar, right? That's more pink. This is lesser. This thing, but I don't want to try it. So I haven't touched it, so that I can at least like give it to someone, like gift it to someone. So that is Hey Frenchie. And then the next one I got is the red one, and I think it's kind of like a pinky red, and this is the Give Me Fever, and that is the color. So just red. Oh, the way the red looks, oh god, I'm so tempted to swatch it, but I don't want to. If I want to give it to someone, then I don't want to. So that's why I'm going to keep it. Another lipstick. This was $5.99. The NARS lip pencil. Now I don't have a NARS satin lip pencil. I don't think I have. I have NARS Velvet Matte. A couple of them. Like I think I have Dragon Girl, Cruella, and then another one, Dolce Vita. So this color, I wanted to just get it because it's like this deeper nude, and it's really beautiful. I've tried it on my lips. It's really nice. And I wanted to try this satin formula, so I got it. Beautiful, right? So beautiful color, and it looks so nice on my lips. With my skin tone, it goes very well. So that is, oh, what's the color? I didn't share. Balboa. This is Balboa. It's kind of like a mauve but brown, so that's why I like it. So Balboa. Anastasia's loose powder, and this I got it because it's just that golden loose pigment, golden metallic shade, and it is called, and it was how much? $5.99. So it's called Desert, and it is a beautiful, beautiful copper shade. Let me swatch this for you guys because I've also tried this on already, and it is so pretty. So this is how it opens up, right? And it has these holes here, so you can like carefully take the color. So oh my god, this is so pigmented. It's very hard to get it off. I don't know, let me show you here. There you go. See that? It's a bronzy color. On the eyes it looks really nice. So I love this. I think I did wear it in one of the previous video that I wore, that I did. I think I did wear this over on the eyes. So that is Desert, Anastasia's loose pigment. It was $5.99. So that's it guys. Thank you so much. I think my video went too long today. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. And see you in my next video. Take care. Bye, guys.